What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. Guys, I hope you out there enjoying this weekend and getting yourself into some good barbecues, some football. You got college football on today. You got the NFL tomorrow. And guys that ain't into football and that's just trying to dive into these charts, it's Saturday. On Saturday, we try to drop educational videos, something that'll spark something in your mind, something that will pop into your brain. That way you can see these setups in the next upcoming week session. And that way you can be able to be profitable and be able to dominate on easy setups that can make you money. What we're going to do today, we're going to talk about the 200 EMA. Guys, this can be a profitable play, but before we go into this, guys, do me a favor. Hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification and you can get stuff like this and be able to add this to your game plan when the session opens back up on Mondays. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. The 200 EMA. Guys, I talk about this all the time. It's 1,000 different setups out there. People ask me all the time, hey, Fresh, can you give me your chart setup? I can give you my chart setup. I say it 1,000 times, but doesn't matter what my chart setup look like if you can't see it out of my lenses, if you can't see it the way I see it when I'm getting into a play or paying attention. It's 1,000 things go into play when I'm thinking about getting into a play. My job is to be able to give you setups to where you don't need D-Fresh, you don't need anybody else. You can look at this chart and say, man, I've practiced this before, I've seen this before 1,000 times, and when I see this setup right here, I've seen it 1,000 times. I'm going to jump in there. I'm going to dominate that play and I'm going to make some money on that. And that is my goal, to give you something that you can pay attention to and use with your chart and be able to get into a play and make some money. We got Tesla pulled up on yesterday's chart. Guys, what do I say? I call it all the time. We can find it all over the chart. I say, if we are in a uptrend, we are in an uptrend. Look at this. Boom, boom. We are in an uptrend. Boom. They finally found a top right here at 244.30. They having issues right here. What do I say happens if we're in a downtrend and we come to that 200? Guys, pay attention. We in a downtrend. Well, we starting to form that downtrend. This candle right here tells you bears are in the picture. Boom, we come down. Boom, we up under VWAP. My blue line is VWAP. My white line is the 200. Guys, look at this. Boom. What happens? Now, man, I'm over here rubbing my hands, man. I'm already going through the options chain. I'm looking at which option is going to be the best option for me because I see that 200. I know what the bears is trying to do. They're trying to run this thing down to the 200. What do I say? They always overshoot it. Boom. They overshot it. They dropped down to 235.80. They shot their shot. If I was in puts right here, I'm riding it down. When I see that 200 getting close, I'm selling right here because I never go all the way to the touch because I know we're going to get some type of move back up. I don't want nothing to do with that. I am trying to maximize my profits, and that's what you should be doing too, especially you guys out there playing those 0 DTEs. You got to get in and get out sniper light. And that's what I try to give you. Sniper light setups. That way you can make some quick money, get out of that play, enjoy the rest of the day. And you see, we're at that 200. They overshot it. This is your entry right here. Well, this isn't your entry. This is your, if you buying calls, playing that 200, you waiting for that overshot. And then you waiting for that, the green candle to form. Boom, we get the green candle. Where is it at? It's sitting on that 200. If I'm ready to get in, I'm getting in right here. We above the 200. Boom, we run into the 9 EMA. And if people that need a little bit more confirmation, if you want to wait for it to cross the 9 and close above the 9, then dive in right there. I'm getting in right here because I've seen this set up a zillion different times. I'm going in. Boom, boom. Got this next candle. Boom, we going to VWAP. Where we at? My blue line, VWAP. This one might scare me a little bit, but I'm still good. I'm not worried about that. If anything, I'm gonna set my stop loss because I want to get some profit out of here. I'm setting my stop loss right here at this 9. If it don't come back to the 9, I'm still into this play. Next candle. Boom. We ran all the way up. We got up to 240.70. Man, that's a $5 run up on that play right there. Guys, you eat right here. You take your profit. Guys that's holding on, you say, hey, when do I get out? How do I know when to get out? You got this next red candle. We peaked at 240.80. You get this red candle right here. They unable to get through that last top right here. Once I see this red candle right here, if I am still staying in, once we start coming back to that 9, what did I say? I'm getting out. I'm getting out at the 9 EMA. We get this next candle. Boom. It started coming down. I'm done. I'm up out of this play. And as you see, we came up under the 9 EMA. We touching VWAP. The play is done. You get another candle that kind of fakes you out that says that we're above the 9. We may go back up. I'm done with this play because you see that next candle right here. We have already tried to come up under the 9. This candle right here went down to VWAP. This next candle just smacked through everything. Boom, came down, chopped back down. You don't want nothing to do with that. But now you see we had our run up. Got some greedy cats out there. It's all good. Do you make some money? But you got that same strategy. We coming back down to the 200. What happened? We kissing that 200. We kissing that 200. Boom, we run all the way back up to 240 what? 240.70 again. If you got into that play, that's a $3 play. Get out. Know when to get out because you see power hour, we brought that thing back down. Guys, that is a profitable play. And I know some of you guys are out there have took heed to this little nugget and you making money off this. Last week, we talked about tweezer tops and I seen people dominating the tweezer tops this week. Now this is the 200. Now you got tweezer tops in your arsenal. Now you got the 200. Add that. Somebody say, but Fresh, you know, what if it doesn't do that all the time? Set your stop loss. We cannot predict what the market is going to do, but use the tools that is out there and available to prevent you from these crazy losses. If somebody told me, hey, Fresh, 6 times, 7 times out of 10, you go out to the grocery store or the gas station and grab 10 lottery tickets, 6 of those are going to be winners. I'm going to go out there and play that. I like those odds. I'm going to go play 10 tickets to see if I can make some money on that because I like the odds. The odds are better. It's going to pop once it get here. And if it don't, set your stop loss, get out of the play, prevent you from crazy losses. Find another entry, get back in, make some money on that right there. We're going to go to another one that I saw set up yesterday, QQQ. Look what QQQ did. We came out of an uptrend. Now we are in a downtrend. Boom. I'm already knowing what this play is going to do. It's headed for that 200. Look at this. It overshoots the 200. Where's the 200? 200 sitting at 270. 970. We come down to about 278.30, a dollar drop from the 200. But what are you doing? It overshot the 200. We getting this green candle. We coming back up. I'm just sitting back waiting to see what's going to happen. If we take that 200 back, I see this wick right here. We are in the 200. I'm waiting for that next candle. We get this next boom, boom candle. Boom, engulfing. I'm jumping in right here. I'm already in my contracts. Boom, boom. We run that thing all the way to 282. Where did we jump in that candle at that 200? 279.75. We running up to 282.50. We waiting for some type of pullback because we know that that's going to happen. That red candle right there coming down. I got my stop loss around the 9 EMA, and if I'm paying attention to it, I'm just selling. I'm probably getting out right here as soon as I see that red candle coming down because we have exhausted that play already. It's time to get out, move on, make your money, get out of there, eat. You coming back down. What happens at that 200? What happens at that 200? Boom! We run that thing all the way back up 283. We started down here at 480. We ran it up to 483. That's almost a $4 profitable play playing off that 200 EMA. Guys, it's plays out there like this. forming, setting up every single day. And if you sitting there playing in the SPY all day, you're going to miss these other money making opportunities that's in the market. You got to be able to expand your horizons, be able to have a couple tickers that when the SPY is chopping sideways, that you can, man, QQQ is moving. Let me go over there and switch to QQQ, see what the setups are. Oh man, I see this downtrend. I see that 200. Fresh Sun warned us about that 200 play. Let me go ahead and shoot my shot at it. Make some money. Got to be able. And like I said, I know you guys are out there dominating. All right, guys, before we get out of here, I can't end this video without showing some love to you guys that's out there shining in the Discord. Ja106, man, he put out in the comments, he said, D Fresh always say on a downtrend, look for a pop up off the 200 EMA. Tesla is at the 200 EMA, guys. Look where we at. He called this play about 30 minutes out before it revealed itself. He sees it going down. He's done seen the videos where I say in a downtrend, we headed to that 200. What's ready to happen? He's sitting back and man, 30 minutes later, he gets a comment from somebody saying, yo, Ja106, you called that 200 EMA bounce on Tesla. Boom. Man, Ja hit him back with, D Fresh says it all the time in his YouTube videos. Guys, free game. YouTube videos, free game. If you ain't paying attention, pay attention. Go watch the videos. He says it all the time in his YouTube videos. When the 200 is in play, I can honestly say the percentage of it bouncing off the 200 is very high, that if it doesn't once in a while, I won't even be mad. What this guy is ready to say next, man, I can't preach this enough. I can't thank you enough, Ja, for even ending it with this comment right here. This is priceless. This is a bombshell of information. I'm going to tip my hat to you, my dog, for saying this right here. Pay attention, guys. Nothing is guaranteed. Life isn't guaranteed. The market going where we think it is going to go isn't guaranteed. The only thing we can do is use the technicals that the market gives us and the tools that they give us to be able to protect ourselves against catastrophic losses. I say it all the time. This guy said, I won't even be mad if I lose a couple dollars. I'll just have a stop loss set. Guys, man, set that stop loss. Is it going to overshoot the 200? Probably. It normally do. Get a stop loss set. And once that thing finished at that overshooting, it's going to boom. You going to be rewarded off of that play. You're going to feel so good once that thing pop $2, $3. Take your profit out of there. Walk away. You feeling good. You made some good money off a easy free setup that you was able to recognize because you seen Fresh done preach that 200. He preached that tweezer top play, and these are profitable setups that you can dominate on your own. Shout out to you, man. Champagne bottles in the air. Even more satisfaction to me is you was able to call that out in the Discord, in the chat, and people be able to see it and hop on with you along that ride and make some money. My dog, I am super duper proud of you. Guys, I just wanted to give you guys these little nuggets, something extra for you to be able to add to your arsenal before Monday's session starts. All right, guys, I'm not going to take much more of your time, but hey, if you like this kind of content, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. If you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike, go ahead and tap into my Discord. The link is in the description below. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.